To make a lava fountain, you will be needing 2 poster colors, red or orange. If you have both, then great. Baking soda and vinegar. So, first, take some baking soda. Take 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Just put it in a bowl. Now, go to the other bowl and put the vinegar in here. Adding the vinegar in here. So we have added the vinegar, and now you have to take your colors. If you have red or orange, it's fine. If you have both, then great. Just add red, and now add orange. A little more. Mix it up, and now just put this in this bowl. Your lava is ready.